Good morning! It is Saturday, guys! Yung plano namin today is pumunta kay na Lyra. Hindi sana yun yung plano namin, kaya lang si Lyra nag-text kahapon. Sabi niya, gagawa ako ng Filipino street food. So sabi ko, cancel lahat ng plano sa umaga. Punta tayo kay na Lyra. Nakakaloka. Miss na miss ko na yung kwek-kwek, guys. If napanood niyo yung Q&A ko, alam niyo na yun yung pinaka-na-miss ko. And magluluto siya ng kwek-kwek. Yung plano sana namin today, this morning, before kami pumunta ng Footy. Ang puti ng mukha ko, tingnan. Before kami pumunta ng Footy is mag-ano sana kami, magbe-bake kami ng banana bread kasi dadalhin namin siya sa bahay ng mama niya bukas kasi Mother's Day breakfast kami bukas. Kaya lang sabi ko gusto ko pumunta kay na Lyra, so sabi ni Dan mamayang gabi na lang namin i-bake. So sana matuloy kasi I'm pretty sure gabing-gabi na kami makakarating, guys. Anyway, papakita ko sa inyo yung nasa mukha ko. Nag-makeup na ako. Anong oras pa ba? Pupunta kami kina Lyra 11. Hala, 10 pa lang, guys. 10 pa lang ng umaga. Pupunta kami dun 11, so may time pa tayo. Yung nasa mukha ko is the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Nag-foundation ako, guys. Yung gamit ko is yung Hourglass Vanish Foundation. I am in the shade Warm Beige. And then, concealer ko, yung malapit na talaga maubos as in. Oh, tingnan nyo. This is the Instant Age Rewind. My shade is medium. Yung nasa brows ko is, as usual, the Make Brow. Ito, yung nasa gitna na shade. And then, nilagyan ko siya actually ng Gimme Brow na, anong tawag dito? Basta, Gimme Brow na eyebrow gel on top of the, eyebrow powder. Namatay yung camera ko. Nasa na ba ako? Gimme Brow Eyebrow Gel. Tapos na tayo dun. Powder is yung Coty Airspun na powder. Rosy Beige yung shade ko. Ginamit ko yung pangmalakasan na mascara kasi nga, ito na yun. Hindi na ako magre-retouch, guys. Ito na yung makeup ko. Maybe magdadala lang ako ng lip tint, pero yun lang. Pero sa mascara ko is the Heroin Make. Yung waterproof mascara na pangmalakasan ko na mascara. Tingnan mo yung aking lashes, besh. And ano pa ba? That highlight though. My favorite highlight, the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Champagne Pop. Anong maghahatid kinakat? Sunduin na lang siguro namin sikat. Oh, blush! BLK Cosmetics. Ito, yung blush. Ano siya? Ito yung contour blush and highlight palette in the shade Flushed. Ako, setting spray. I use the All Day Makeup Fixer from Aritom. Ito yung gamit ko, guys. Kasi yung MAC Fix Plus ko, malapit na siya maubos. Tingnan nyo, konting-konti na lang natira. But I'm on a shopping ban. So, hindi ko muna siya gagamitin. Kasi, baka maubos ko siya. And hindi pa ako pwede makabili this month. Magle-layer ako ng damit. Kasi sobrang magiging malamig mamayang gabi. So, ito yung pang ilalim. And then, I'm just wearing my jeans. Black jeans from H&M. And then, I will be wearing my Converse siguro. Yun. And, yeah, yun lang. Yeah, words! Pupuhas buha nga! Ilang gwapo. Susutin ko yung ganyan ko mamaya na, guys. Punta kami kina Kat muna. Susunduin namin si Kat kasi Neil is working. And walang maghahatid sa kanya. So, puntahan namin si Kat. And then, punta kami kina Lyra. Food is life, yes! Babe, my highlight is popping. Becca Champagne Pop. Nakaano pa ako, nakaganito lang ako. Lamig. Is the AC on? Why is it even on? Let's turn it on.
It's not on.
It's not. Okay. You look guapo, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Naka-black kami ngayon, guys. As in black na, ho. Si Dan din, naka-black jeans. You stopped drinking coffee, though. I still drink it every day. Yeah, but not every day. I love my coffee. Dito kami kina Lyra, guys. Dito si Kat at saka si Lyra.
What are you doing?
Oo nga, yung nasa reject shop, yung Nescafe.
Sa reject shop.
Oo, yung reject shop na red at saka black. Nagko-coffee na siya, guys. Hindi yan nagko-coffee. Sabi ni Tony, bad influence kami sa kanya kasi nagko-coffee na siya.
Real coffee yet? What?
What do you mean by real coffee? Like the...
That's not real coffee.
Brewed coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. It was so strong. No.
Okay, too strong.
Yeah. Ayoko din ng
What about you,
totoong
Kat? Do you
coffee.
drink real coffee or do you drink this?
I don't mind.
Guys, quick! Thank you! quick, guys! Tapos mighty juicy hotdog. Plak! Breakfast. Tapos
Hindi pa
fishball.
kulang, basa pa to.
Okay lang. And then corned beef. Yum! Breakfast by Lyra. Pak. So ano to? Para sa corned beef. So meron na tayong onion dyan. And then our hot dog is cooking. Yummers. May rice ka? Oh, good. Yun na yung rice doon. Oo nga eh. And ang ating cool na baba. You look so cool. Machi-machi tayo ng shoes baba ah.
You like it? This one goes to free. So free.
Sarap. Hotdog, corned beef.
Look at me like that.
Yum.
Are you being cruel deliberately, or is it?
Sarap. Ang sarap guys.
I'm just too worried about
Pilipinong-Pilipino yung breakfast natin ngayon ah. Yummers.
Sarap ng hotdog.
You got 1 week on, 1 week off.
Tama.
For your grandson. Is that how it works?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. He's,
Wala, ubos pa ng kanin.
he's the only one who's not.
Yes, no.
Marami pa dun kat.
Wala akong magkanin.
Lyra ay. Yan binigay sa akin.
no.
Dali pa ko Sarah.
All the effort I put in. Look, will you two stop wearing the same black pants?
Boy, be careful.
Someone's going to get a surprise one day. I'm going to get a surprise back.
Lyra has really long hair.
Yes, babe.
Let's look at the hair.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah. Hala, Mother's Day na bukas. First Mother's Day mo. Ikaw na talaga. Sikat na talaga ang magma-Mother's Day, guys.
Can you catch it
Sarap ng corned beef na may onion. Ice come on.
May patatas.
Hala, uno. Hala, ang galing pala niyan. No? Kasi ang dali lang.
Dali mo lang.
Handa sa akin yung corned beef.
Did you blog this yesterday?
Dawa.
Last night Laura says, oh, you have to race down to the shop and get some baking powder. I haven't got any baking powder.
May powder?
Oh.
You will never run out.
Dad, do you want some more? Ako hindi na, Dad.
Nagod. No, alo yun. Dami ng rice ko. Half.
Push.
Maybe it was on a high shelf, I don't know.
Naka-half yung akin. Kasi baka hindi ko maubos sa'yo naman. Bakit dagdag mo?
Hindi naman ako nag-breakfast tayo. Uy.
Oo nga, ako nga din eh. Guys, punta kami kay Mart. Sikat nandun.
Change location. Ito na naman kami sa change location.
Nandito kami sa sasakyan ni Kat kasi yung sasakyan namin, iniwan namin sa bahay ni Kat. Say hatid din namin siya pa uwi. So,
Yan guys,
Yeah.
nagsasalita si Lodi.
wala akong seatbelt. Wait muna. Kay Mart kami guys. Kay Mart. Ang cute ni Baby V. Guys, nandito kami sa clearance section. See? $1. Ito guys, oh. Kasyang-kasya to sa akin. Kasya sa akin yan. 9. $1 na lang galing 8. Oo nga eh. Kaya lang hindi pwede. Hindi pwede guys. Naka-shopping ban tayo ngayon. Hindi pwede. Kahit na $1 lang, hindi pwede. Ano? Wala, oo nga. Kasya sa akin yan. Oo nga. At bata yun? Kasya sa akin yan. Uy, tingnan mo. Oh, $2 lang.
Kasya sa'yo, Dad.
Oo. Ang cute naman nito. Boy, tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Hala, ito pala yung $8 na lang galing 15. Yung pang newborn. Tapos ang dami niya. Set na siya guys. Ang cute nito. Pwede ito pang lalaki, pang babae. $2 guys. Ang mura lang. Oo. Gray at saka white. Oh, ang cute. Guys, ang cute. Manda talaga sa akin doon kay Mart kapag ako nabuntis. Manda sa akin to. Lang, cute. Oh, ang cute na eh. Kaya lang, liit niyan para kay Baby V. Ano hinahanapan mo? Lalaki?
Lalaki.
Okay. Marami pa. May nakuha ka na, Kat? Yan. Shopping na si Mami Kat. First time niya dito, guys. Maganda dito sa Kmart namin eh. Char, inangkin ko yung Kmart. Oo nga eh. Iba dito, Kat. Di ba uwi ka Pilipinas? Try, alam ko kung nasan yung clearance ng panglalaki. Nandun. Maya after dito. Guys, ang cute. Grabe.
Tapos may ano pa siya, meter.
Oo nga. Magkano?
7.
Oh, sige. Bili mo na. Nail. Tignan mo to. Wala, tignan. Shopping pa more.
Takot pa mo.
Bilhan mo si Neil nito. Di ba may ganito siya? Ginagamit pa ba niya?
Hindi. Baliw yun.
Bigat din naman. Laki din naman kasi.
Pag naglakad siya, sakop yun.
Guys, ang cute. Tingnan nyo to. Monkey na set para kay Neil.
Ito, Day.
Tapos meron kaming bear na nakita.
Hindi, kay ano.
Ito. Bear.
Walang size.
Ganda sana ng bear.
Ay, ito, Day. Mas gusto ko ito pala.
Ano? Pantulog ni Tony yan? Wala, hindi nagigising yun. Gaganda na ng mga pantulog niya. Sa bed na lang yun lagi. Heaven ang nail polish. Tag $2 lang, Sinful Colors.
Ito na. Meron ako dalawa.
Ayun, nakadalawa na.
Wow, ang ganda.
Salamay. Ganda oh. Mga yellow tag. Tag $1. May ano pa dun.
Guys, wala kaming pera kasi ano yun lang sila.
Wala daw siyang pera pero tingnan nyo yung dala. Ito din, tingnan nyo. Shopping na.
Guys, wala kaming pera, guys. Kasi nang kulay nito pang ano, summer.
Oo nga. Naghanap si Lyra ng mga ano, dark. Tingnan mo yung mga dala, dark. Lahat. Ano na kasi, winter. Tapos na kami guys, nakapag-shopping na yung dalawa. Shopping pa more si Lyra, oh. Pak! Ang dami guys, pero ano lang, mura lang. Lagay mo to sa ano? Guys, tutupiin namin yung plam niya. Hindi namin alam paano.
Ah, so naging ginawa, Day?
Press, diba? Video? Ang sira to eh. O, paano?
Sandali, may
Yan, YouTube pa more. May ad pa, ano ba yan? Meron ka na yan, tinutupi, diba?
Hala talaga ni YouTube niya yung ano niya.
Hindi ko talaga alam yung mga ganyan. Ano? Paano?
Paano? Ganon.
Oh.
Tapos,
Ay, oh. Oh.
uy, sige.
Ganun ba yung ginawa mo noon? Oh, sige daw. Buang, pinagtawanan naman natin, uy.
So, bakit ganun sa kanya natali lang? Ito inuna niya. Ito.
Sa ganun. Ayan.
Tapos,
Tapos, dito na kami sa bahay niya, guys. Kain na naman. Tapos na mag-shopping. Kain pa mo!
Busy there.
Oh yeah, it's busy. It's
So
crazy. Kmart, sobrang busy. Dito kami ng kwek-kwek! Guys, uniform kami. So saya sila.
So you guys still cooking?
Yeah.
What's next on the menu?
Kwek-kwek. Kwek-kwek. And fishbowl. And street food. Lyra's street food.
Well, what are you cooking in here for?
No, we won't go out.
Streets out
To the
there.
street, yeah.
you have a point. Yeah, straight one.
Ito na, guys.
so good.
Ito na. Okay na ako? Yun! Malaga, guys. Ito na. Ito na ang ating kwek.
Yeah, I could-
Kwek.
We just got one and they were gone in about 4 minutes.
Yan. Sarap nito. Yung ano sana pag-angat niya ba? Ang cute.
Paano nangyari yun?
Umangat bigla. Ngayon, wala. Hangin na yan. Hangin na yan. Kakainin natin.
Squid ball. Kwek. 20 pesos daw isa.
Mahal-mahal ang kwek-kwek. Yan, meron ng lutong kwek-kwek. Kaya lang, init-init. Tinikman ko siya kanina. Sabi ko, yun, init naman ito. Yan yung sauce ni Manong. Sauce ni Manong. Para sa fishball. Oh, may umano na naman. Umangat na naman. Nagsiangatan na yung mga fishball. Yan, fishball. Try mo.
It's quite hot though, man. I'm not going to do it straight away. I'm
Okay.
Now. Like, it's really hot.
It's gonna be spicy.
It's really nice.
Nice, aren't they?
Is it good? Yeah. Aalis na kami. Nakikain lang kami, tapos alis na naman kami, guys. Thank you, Lai. May glasses na siya, oh. Pakita na siya. Yeah, yan yung ano. May pabaon si Lyra. Pabaon para kay Christina. Thank you, Tony!
Welcome.
You're in the vlog. Off to foodie we go. Will we win today?
Of course we'll win. We're playing the Crows. They suck.
Mananalo kami, guys. Ito yung showdown. Nakakatakot actually to, guys. Kasi sila talaga yung dalawang team na magkalaban talaga. Magkalaban kasi pareho silang nasa Adelaide. And yeah, like si Neil Crow supporter. Say hi to Neil, babe. Hi, Neil. We will win. Go Power! Go Power!
Go power.
Nandun yung ano, jacket ko, yung my hood, at saka yung ano ko rin, puffy na jacket, just in case sobrang lamig. Like right now, it's sunny. Pero a bit chilly. And yeah, nag-refill lang ako, nag-ano lang ako, nag-lip tint lang ako guys, kasi wala akong lipstick kanina. And sobrang thank you, Lai, sa lunch at saka sa snack. Thank you, Lyra and Tony. Actually, magpa-park kami sa malayo guys, kasi sobrang full na ng parking. Kasi sobrang daming tao ngayon guys. Showdown, tapos ano pa, Sabado pa. So magpa-park kami sa... Aren't you too close to the car?
He's bloody close to me.
Tapos maglalakad kami guys, mga 25 minutes yung lalakarin namin para mapunta sa Oval. Kasi yung paparkingan namin, dun kami magdi-dinner mamaya kasama yung mama niya, yung stepdad niya, at saka yung best friend ng mama niya, at saka yung anak ng stepdad niya. Yes. Dun kami guys. Daming tao, grabe. Tingnan nyo. Papunta sa Oval. Tapos may construction sa kung saan-saan. Ganda dito, oh. Ano yan, babe? What's that, babe? Cute naman yan. Dito na kami, guys. Intense to intense. Maybe it will start in 10 minutes. Woo! Ito na. Nanggaling kami sa Star of, how do you pronounce that? Siam?
Yeah, Siam.
It's a Thai restaurant and it's so good. First time ko doon. Lagi kaming dumadaan doon kapag pumupunta kami ni Dan doon sa Bridger Street. And lagi yung sinasabi, ang sarap dyan, pero he never takes me there. So finally, today we went and yeah, kasama namin yung yung family niya. So hindi ako nag-vlog, but that was really good and we won! So, is this the happiest day of your life?
It's the happiest day of my life.
So...
Today, and the next day is the one, set number 2 is our wedding.
Today is the best, number 2 is our wedding?
I'm kidding.
But
it was a very good day. Lots of fun today.
No,
and we won.
I think you're more happy today than our wedding, to be honest.
I was really happy today. Really happy.
Mas happy ka pa ngayon kaysa sa wedding.
Really happy.
No, he was so happy. And I was actually like praying na manalo sila guys kasi I really want to see you happy, babe. I know it will make him really, really happy. And we won. It was such a good
awesome.
game.
It was exciting.
It was such a good game as well, guys. As in, today was so good. Like, it was one of the best games ever.
Yeah.
The second one I remember was when Devenda was here, with us.
Yeah.
And yeah, that was so good as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it was good.
Yeah.
Go Power! I think the matching jumpers
Good
or
luck.
jackets, good luck, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah. First time namin mag relationship goals eh. This is like relationship goals right here, babe. First time natin. It's our first time to actually match. Because you don't like matchy-matchy.
We're only going to match on football days.
Football days.
Only football days.
Yeah. No, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this jumper. Anyway, pauwi na kami guys. Actually, close ko na tong vlog na to kasi ang pagdating namin sa bahay.
Look at the flashing giveaway. That's sort of new, isn't it? I haven't really seen that before.
That one?
Yeah, the giveaway at flashes.
No,
Should we get an ice cream?
No! Walang ice cream. Are you not full yet? You just said you're so full.
Okay.
And I still have that cake in my bag. Nagpunta kami ng Bread Top kanina before kami nagpunta ng Footy. Kasi gusto bumili nila ng food. And yeah, hindi ko pa nakain kasi sobrang exciting nung game. We will bake, banana bread para Mother's Day. Pero separate video ko na yun kasi ang haba na nitong vlog na to. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye. Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Bye guys. Who's the happy one?